Good morning. How we doing today? Oh, let me get some stuff set up. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Chuck. Channel members, greatly appreciate you guys. I don't know why YouTube is being super slow today. But yeah, how was everybody's weekend? Let's see. How many people up in here? Say good morning if you're in the chat. Good morning. Let's see. So I haven't even looked at the market yet, to be honest with you. Let's see. Go to the 4 hour. Honestly, I think what's going to happen is we are going to get that inverse head and shoulders. That's what I'm thinking. This is showing characteristics that it does want to come up to this level and form the head. I mean, you can see it clear as day that there's a left shoulder and a huge dip that forms the head. So I personally think that the S&P and the NASDAQ are going to come up and hit this high, which is somewhere in between 4,200 and like 4,150. That's where I think the S&P is going to go. Or actually, hold on. Maybe somewhere around here is where we'll get to. We'll come down, we'll form another shoulder. So there's two scenarios that could play out here. But that's personally what I think happens. Again, I could be completely wrong, but let's see what we can do today. That was 627. I'm assuming the Japanese market is closed. Or it's just not moving. Yeah, I think it's closed. Anyways, so yeah, good morning everybody. Hopefully everybody had a fantastic weekend. Let me get everything set up on the other screen. Yeah, we got some nice setups going into this week. It's not like they're not fantastic, but I like the setups. So we'll see what we can find. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. And then I got the GD vlog. Me and GD vlog is being uploaded tonight. Hopefully you guys like that. That literally got everything off my screen. That's not what I wanted. Good morning. But as always, if you guys could make sure to start off the morning with a like, it would be greatly appreciated. Remember, if we hit 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list in the chat. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Remember, I'm going to be watching DLTR very closely. I do want to get a swing here. So create alert, cross above, bingo. Feel like, there we go. Good morning. TLT dropping. Did TLT break the bear flag? It is right now. Keep a close eye on it. If TLT continues to break and drop, S&P is more than likely going to follow. Good morning, channel members. Jay, Elizabeth, the DWZ, Chuck, and Larry. Greatly appreciate it. But yeah, TLT is breaking that bear flag. That is not good. Anyways, Airbnb looks like it's hitting my long level. It actually briefly broke above my long level. 105.67. Is there liquidity? That is the question. Where? Come on, there we go. Anyways, so Airbnb, I do like this. If we get above 105.67, and liquidity is in the 110 calls. So we'll put Airbnb on the list. It does have to break above that level for me to be interested. What's up, Nate? But yeah, I do like Airbnb, AMD. That had a nice little gap up. It actually went straight to that monthly pivot that I gave you guys in the Sunday watch list. So AMD, I'll be interested above 88.58 or whatever that high is. AMD. Again, how was everybody's weekend? What'd you guys do? Did you guys do anything fun? Did you sit around the house all weekend? Did you study? Amazon, love that. If we can get above 118.09, I'd be pretty interested. Yeah. Amazon, AMZN. We already looked at DLTR. GME. GME is actually very interesting. It's in a daily, weekly, and monthly squeeze. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to this. I'm going to see what happens around like 129. 129.38. See what happens if we get down there. Maybe we can bounce. And then from there, we can look for butterflies. The butterflies are probably going to be the best bet. Let's see if we, what is that? 129. Maybe like a 130, 135, 140 butterfly. That's what I'm going to be looking. Nice. That sounds fun. Went to the beach. Good stuff. GME, IBM. I think I might try to snag a position in this week. We'll see. Remember, that's in the quarterly falling wedge, so that looks really good for a breakout. Nice. How'd the scans go? Let's see. Nvidia will be interested. I mean, you'd be scalping it at that point. We can put it on the list, but very limited range with Nvidia. So that's gonna be a big maybe. PDD. China names are hot. PDD actually broke my level. That's not what I wanted to see. Could get a nice continuation. Liquidity is in the 70 calls. So maybe PDD, put a question mark to that. What's up, watermelon? Speaking of watermelon, went to Wegmans on, I think it was Friday. Yeah, Friday. And they had the hugest watermelon. Like, this thing is massive. I still haven't cut it, but it's literally huge. Let's see, Zoom. Would be interested if it got 124.58. Maybe 123.75. But actually we can't. There's no liquidity. So no Zoom. Let's head to the day trade stocks. Let me get the squeeze scanner up. Apple. Wegmans is amazing. Looks like Apple's gonna form that head and shoulders as well. Would be interested above 143. Apple. We looked at AMD. We looked at Amazon. Look at BOBO. BOBO doesn't look bad. What is that? 120.58. Liquidity is in 122, 125. There's Baba. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 110 people in here and only 52 likes. If you guys want the watch list, you got to run it up to 150 likes. The ball is in your court. Let's see. So we got Baba, Coin. Not interested in Coin at all. It actually looks like I might want to do an inverse head and shoulders as well. But Coin not interested. Costco apparently is in a daily squeeze. Yes, it is. 491.13 would be my interest level. CRWD. That thing's been ripping. $188.68. Liquidity is in. Not even the 190s. No liquidity in CRWD. My weekend was good. Nice and relaxing. Went to the pool for most of the weekend. As you guys can see in that Saturday video that everybody had to point out that I clearly had sunburn. Meta's actually at that gap fill. Nice $3 gap. Maybe bounce at 167. Meta. Not interested in Microsoft. We looked at Nvidia. QQQ. What's that up to today? QQQ went straight to that 61.8% retracement and the trend line actually that we talked about in Saturday's video. So this 297.26 level is going to be very, very important for QQQ. Again, this was in the watch list. So 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 projected forward. What did we just hit? That trend line and the 61.8% retracement from this pivot high to pivot low. So if the QQQ wants to go higher, it needs to break above this this very strong resistance point. Then we can get pre-market highs at 297.9, then 300. So that's what I would like to see with QQQ. Let's see, SPY is breaking above the 50% retracement. 625, yes it is. Maybe it comes back to like 390, rebounds, goes back to pre-market highs at 392.94, and then we see 395.75. That would be the ideal situation that happens. But that's my thoughts on QQQ and SPY. Take a look at Raku. I went above 100 this morning, not interested. SQ. See, don't you guys see the same pattern appearing almost on every single chart? Like 80% of the stocks that we pulled up, it is the same pattern that is forming. Shoulder, a bigger dip that looks like it's forming the head. So again, I wouldn't be surprised to see SPY and QQQ do an inverse head and shoulders. Now, is it set in stone that it's going to do that? Of course it's not. But it's showing the characteristics that it wants to, because again, like 80% of the stocks that we just went through, they have the same formation. So I would keep an eye on that. Let's see, Target, and then somebody asked about Tesla. Same thing with Target. Shoulder, possibly ahead, shoulder, breakout, go. Tesla. 755.28. Exactly, Bob. I haven't seen that in a while. And then let's see, we got Tesla. So again, if you guys could, before we narrow the list, and I also think that we just had news that came out, if you guys could make sure to click that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. We got 150 people in here and only 77 likes. So again, if you guys do want the watch list posted in the chat, you need to make sure to click that like button, run it up to 150. Anyways, so the news, Voyager Digital says issuing default notice to Three Arrows Capital. Voyager Digital says Three Arrows Capital failed to make payments on a loan of 15,250 Bitcoin and 350 million USDC. Dang. Sheesh. Okay. That's not good. I'm waiting for I know that we do have 8:30 news. I think it's durable goods, possibly. Yeah, durable goods 0.7%, expectation 0.1%, durable goods transports 0.7%, expectation 0.4%. Good orders, I don't even know what that is, but 0.5%, expectation 0.2%. So let's see what QQQ is doing. Pulling back slightly. Nothing to worry about. That sucks. They got a margin call. Sheesh. I don't use RSI or MACD personally. I think they're both terrible indicators. Let's see. Yes, it's pulling back. All right. I mean, the best thing we can do today, find the highest probability setups, watch the 3 to 4 to them, or 3 to 4 of them, and yeah, we move on with our day. So let's see what happens. Let's narrow the list. Actually, didn't Russia did default, I believe. I don't have my phone, but I got an email earlier from Seeking Alpha that they did. Unless I read it incorrectly, but like 90% short. All right, let's see. Tesla, I mean, that 755.28 is very interesting. I want to try, because I've been trading with my small account. It's at like $9,600, so a little over 9,600 right now. I got 4 days to get it to 10,000, so $100 a day. I think I can do it. Airbnb, that's pulling back. AMD, man, that's pulling back too. Actually, what I would really like to see is if we get one of these. That would be nice. We'll come back to AMD. There is a possibility that it bull flags. That Amazon 118 is really interesting as well. Let's get some Amazon levels. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. And then, hold on. Getting something pulled up real quick. There we go. So yeah, in case you guys didn't know, my new trading ebook has officially released. So in case you guys didn't know that, or you're new to the channel, if you would like to pick yourself up a copy of The New Age of Technical Analysis, feel free to do so using that link right there. But with Amazon, that 115 to 116 level, or like 115.8. Let's see. Yeah, like 115.8 to 116. I think that's going to be really interesting. Basically came right up to that quarterly pivot and smacked it to a T before dropping. So might actually not even watch Amazon today. I actually really like that setup. Nvidia's got limited room. Apple, even Apple's got limited room. What do we scalp at 25 cents? Now BOBO can clear that. BOBO's got room. All right, so BOBO, love. I just I did an application for a publisher. It's Wiley's and Son. They do a lot of the trading ebooks, or not the ebooks, a lot of trading books, and sell them on Amazon. So decided to go with them. Still waiting to hear back about my proposal, and then I send them the manuscript and should be good to go after that. Tesla looks really, really good. Airbnb's dropping. We're just gonna take Airbnb off. AMD. Right up to that monthly pivot. .6. There we go. Close enough. Anyways, 88.61 maybe. Ideally, I would like to see it break out the bull flag. We can scalp it. Extend to the right. Let me see where the SMAs are at. I think we're gonna have AMD on the list today. What is this? DT. Yeah, it's got the room to go. 89.52, 89.66. Let's see. Boom. All right, AMD. I actually had a 1 hour bull flag on Friday too. No, that is not what I wanted. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, AMD's got some room. So let's type this in the chat. AMD looking for a break above the 1 hour bull flag in the pre-market. If it breaks above, I will be looking to go long. Price target equal 88.27, 88.56 to 80, or hold on, 88.56, yeah, to 88.61, then 89.52, 89.66. Boom. Cool. There's that. Let's see, Brandon, you did a video to where your price levels for person's pivots was matching the actual day's pivots. If you didn't do this, it showed the next days. What do you mean? All you do is you take a look. Monthly person's pivots right here, you draw the price level and then you just adjust the price. Boom, done. Anyways, so there's AMD. I would like to see that thing break out. That would be amazing. So we'll put that on the list. When is Amazon Prime Day? Typically, I mean, I wouldn't personally, because I don't really care about stuff like that. Like, I only look at the technicals, and if the technicals don't lead and tell me that Amazon wants to go, then I don't really care. I'll just move on. But I mean, this Amazon, it does look strong. Amazon might find its way onto the list today. Nvidia, possibly, PDD. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We need 55 more likes and you guys will get the watch list. 6809, 69, 70. I think we're gonna put BOBO on the list. Let's see, that's the third gap up. So we got breakaway, midpoint, exhaustion. Maybe we get more. We'll see. I'd really like to see it above 120.58, but it is super overextended. Right up to that daily pivot. I say let's watch it. Thank you for the book feedback. Literally worked on that thing for a year. Try to make it perfect for you guys. Also, make sure you guys are, if you ordered the book and you're not in the Discord server, DM me on Instagram. With the other website I was using, it sent you a Discord invite, but currently that website still owes me a ton of money, so I no longer use them. But BOBO looking for a break above 120.58 for calls. Price target equal 121.06. 200 SMA is at 122.81. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I greatly appreciate it. Making me blush. 122.81. 124.3. Boom. There's BOBO. Meta. Meta looks better for a bounce in my opinion. We could bounce it. The thing is, I hate trading bounces, but it's showing the characteristics that it would really like to bounce at that level. Comes up, kind of has this rounding top, it dips down to this level, and then it bounces. So might keep my eye on that one. Let's go back to the top of the list. ES broke the level. Uh-oh. No, I'm not too worried, to be honest. Yeah, it's coming back up. SPY went right back to that gap fill. Actually, hold on. Wrong levels. There we go. Yeah, SPY's fine. Nothing to worry about. So, hey, like I said, here's the link. If you guys want to cop the ebook, put a lot of time and effort into it. It's 483 pages long. Talks pretty much about everything I know when it comes to trading. See that 118.21. Actually, hold on. Looks like I'm a few cents off. 19. Might have actually hit this thing to a T in the pre-market. There we go. That actually might be the level. Yep. We break above there, this thing can go. To the left. Is there anything to the left? Got a level there. Other than that, not much. Yeah, TTM Squeeze Pro is literally my favorite indicator. I don't care what anybody says. Absolute beast of an indicator. Not, I would say like literally 90 to 95% of my trades are based off the TTM Squeeze. Kid you not. I made a private Discord where I like post my winning trades. It's just myself in there. I post all my winning and losing trades, and I kid you not, if you were to look at the winning trades, almost all of them have a squeeze. A little bit about psychology. Really what psychology comes down to is not oversizing, playing with money that you're willing to lose, and accepting a stop loss. It's what a majority of it comes down to, in my opinion. All right, to Amazon. Amazon like. Video. I'm taking video off today. We did BOBO. I don't think we're gonna do PDD. More so I want to look for a swing on PDD. So I'm gonna come back to that later on. Apple 141 bounce. I mean, that Apple looks really good. You might be using a different person's pivot, maybe. Like 141. Let's see. I mean, I like Apple. Typically, I don't trade Apple, but I do like this setup today. Let's do it. Let's put Apple on the list. Yes, I have 3 videos on the squeeze and I talk about the squeeze. I have a whole chapter of the squeeze in my book. Apple. Looking for 2 things to play out. We could either see a bounce at 141. If so, I will look for calls, or a break above 143.03 for calls. Price target equal 143.25, 144.6. Or 46, hold on. Honestly, if it breaks above there, it's got a lot of room. $146. Oh wait. 145.39. Is not what I wanted. There's Apple. Let's see. I think we might throw that Amazon on. Yeah, if anything changes with the book, I'll still send it through Gumroad. I'm just not selling on there anymore. Because Gumroad's a terrible company. No wonder they have an F rating on the Better Business. I don't want to mess up the word. Triple B. Triple B. They have an F rating, which is terrible. Amazon. Again, though, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 167 people in here and only 116 likes. We are super close to the like goal. I think we can hit it. But yeah. Let's see. Yeah, Apple actually did decent. I traded Apple with GD when we were at the beach. Yeah, that one. Can't say the last word, I'll mess it up. Amazon, Meta. Might be a bounce kind of day. Really like that 167 bounce on Meta. So I need 173. I think that's what I'm gonna look for in Meta actually, is just a bounce at 167.66. I don't have a specific date for the book yet. I'm not gonna know for a while. If I had to give you like a ballpark estimate, probably like 2 to 3 months. Meta would be very interested for a bounce at 167.66 for calls. Cool. There's the 4 stocks I'm watching for the day. As always, you know, I could be completely wrong. Maybe I just misread the market. I mean, if that's the case, worst case scenario, we flip and we look to go the opposite side. That's what's amazing about trading. We don't have to be stuck going long. If we get in a long position, we're like, I actually think the market's gonna pull, you can quickly flip your position and go for puts. So this is personally what I'm gonna be watching for the day. I like everything more to the upside than I do the downside, but as always, things could happen and the market could completely dump. If that's the case, you know, I'll just switch the plan and look for different trades. Plus, you know, you don't have to trade today. So if the market doesn't give you anything, you just don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. New guy here, anyone? Think or swim. The inflation situation. Think or swim is what I'm using. But we still need 30 likes, or not 30, 23. We need 23 likes. So if you guys want the watch list, post it in the chat. Y'all gotta run it up. 150 likes. You're super close. The ball is in your court. Let's see. Everybody's saying good morning to each other in the Discord. Let's see. Think or swim. Yep. Of course. Cool. I think that's what I'm gonna watch. Obviously, Spy and QQQ as well. But let's see. We got Meta. We got AMD, BOBO, Apple, SPX, QQQ, EFA. Beyond, I might actually sell this last one. Depends what happens today. But 133 likes, we're close. I mean, you can use Tastyworks. I used it in the past. Tastyworks is more so execution. Like, their charting is terrible. If you want the best bang for your buck, it's gonna be Think or Swim. I'll give you guys the watch list, even though you didn't hit the goal. I'll be nice. AMD, BOBO, Apple, and Meta. Of course, every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys are subscribed, because I do this every single morning for completely free. All you guys got to do is join and click the like button. That's it. But yeah, that's the watch list for the day. Again, if you guys have not purchased a new trading ebook, make sure you guys do that. 483 pages where I talk about my entire trading strategy. So that's the link for that. And yeah, if you guys aren't in the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord if you do want to get my live signals, as well as I believe like 7 other analysts. But yeah, make sure to join up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure to tune in tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. As always, none of this is financial advice, and everything is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Make sure to do your own due diligence and use your own risk management, because you can lose more than your initial investment. So again, this is all based on my opinion. And yeah, hopefully we're able to make money today. But as always, everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow.